Let's create this pastel cloud look. First, I'm going in with a very light blue, almost a periwinkle kind of shade, and just blending that as far out as I want the outer of the eyeshadow to go. Then, taking a light purple, I'm going in on the inner part of the blue, making sure that they blend together, but it also has its own space. Now I'm taking a darker purple, blending that in with the lighter purple, but also only blending it in on half my lid because the plan is to cover that. So all this is giving the cloud a little bit of a darker color to pop more. Going in with a concealer and a very flat brush, I am creating these half circle shapes that are connecting a little bit, blending that out across the eye. I literally just repeated this process over and over again. I had to speed up this footage because I took forever to draw these lines. Now I'm taking a white eyeshadow and blending that across everywhere. I just put that concealer. I used a iridescent shimmer and a silver shimmer mixed together so that the cloud had a little bit of a sparkle going across it. Then using that white shade, I blended out the blue because I forgot. But I'm using these nail art gems I found on Amazon. They are stars, moons, and just some silver rhinestones. I put them on with lash glue. They added so much to the look. Drawing a small line with the eyeliner so that the lashes have somewhere to sit. Putting on some mascara and some more eyeliner under the eye, some lashes. Then we're going to blend that eyeshadow under the eye using the dark purple, blending it out with that light purple, blending that out with the blue, and then blending that out with a white. I decided it looked a little boring at the bottom, so then I decided to extend the clouds, doing the same steps as before, making some half circles with that concealer, using the white eyeshadow, and then adding the shimmer shades. The black mascara where the purple was at, and a white mascara where the cloud was at. Added some more gems underneath, and that is the completed makeup look. I used to do cloud eyeshadow all the time in like 2020, so it's really fun to bring it back. It's something that is kind of simple, but also adds so much. Also, nail art gems, nail art stickers, time saver when it comes to makeup, and they add so much. Like, imagine if I had to hand draw all of this. I would take hours. But yeah, love you, bye!